Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my another video. Today's video I'm going to tell you that it's the 5 things that you could do when you started to learning a language like English. So I'm doing these things that I just saw that one of them share with you that 5 things, and very significantly I'm increasing my language day by day. So that's why I just thought that I'm sharing with you that you could use in your practice session. So if you're interested, please continue to watching this video. Okay, so number one is talk to yourself whatever you're doing. For example, now I am making a video. So when I'm staying home alone or nobody beside me, that time I just talk to myself like, oh, I gotta go somewhere, or I can take some tea. Oh, here is a my note papers. Last time I wasn't find this newspapers or these papers or not papers. So this way you can practice home when you are staying home alone. So sometimes people are thinking that we are insane or crazy, so do not think about these people because we are practicing English. So do these things. Number two, that is you could do, or I'm doing this, is planning your day. So when I get up early in the morning, so before I get up, I just think in English for 2 or 3 minutes that what I'm doing today and what kind of phrases, vocabularies I'm going to learn, and how many videos or which videos I need to watch today. So you could do these things or planning these things. Okay, so number three, that is watch English bloggings or English related videos. So whatever you like. So it could be movies or bloggers or TV shows. So you need to watch every day any kind of English related videos. So basically, for example, I watch movies or bloggers. So that makes me more happier. I'm very interesting. I'm very interesting about bloggers. So that's why I just follow bloggers like American some bloggers. So you could do these things if you are interested. Here is the number four that you could do. So that is making videos or blogging like me. For example, I'm still making videos now weekend or every I just try to every day make videos to upload on Facebook or YouTube. So you can start it to making videos or blogging. So for example, you are going to be in your somewhere that you place and you love this place, and you can just make videos at least 1 or 2 minutes. Then and one more thing very important, do not think about your mistake. So first time we all are doing mistakes. So in this video I know that I'm doing mistake a lot of things, but I'm not thinking about this mistake. So start making videos or bloggings that you can learn English fastly or very easily. So this is the main things I ever think. Okay, so here's the number five or last one, that is listen and audiobooks or English podcasts. So recently I started to listening in audiobook. The book name is How to Win Friends and Influence People. So listening is the must needed for all of us if when we started to learning English. So when we just beginner level, that we need to do this listening is must needed for all of us. So when we listen these things, so time is, for example, when we get back to your home, when you like your office or school, college, so that time we just put on our headphone in our here, and that time we can listen audiobooks or podcasts. So that makes you more easier to understand other people's, how they say it, how they are pronounced the words in English. So you could do these things if you are very interested to learning English very fastly or very smartly. So here's the 5 tips. I hope that you understand and very enjoying this video. And thanks for watching. I will be back another very important videos for all of you. And thanks for watching. See you on another video.